in unremitted workers' pension. The money accrues from the previous city councils that never used to remit workers' deductions. This means that hundreds of workers from the two county governments are likely to miss their retirement package. According to the Council of Governors Chairman for Human Resource James Ongwae, the delays in remitting these funds is affecting the pension managers' investment decisions.
For years, County Council has mismanaged workers' deduction, failing to remit their deductions to the relevant pension funds. This led to thousands of workers retiring without the benefit of their pension. To date, many county governments are struggling to craft new strategies of repaying their pension to fund managers. According to the County Pension Fund (CPF), Nairobi and Mombasa counties are the hit with the debts totaling to 12 billion shillings. The Nairobi County government has mooted a plan to sell off some of her assets to offset the billions owed to the pension funds. The plan is yet to be approved.
We are following this debt very, very seriously. In terms of how much debt has accumulated, from the previous local authorities to the current county governments.
Council of Governors Chairman Human Resource James Ongwae says they are working closely with the national and county government to streamline the issues together with a proposal that will see county workers regarded as members of the public service. Speaking in Machakos County during a two-day member convention on financial services, Ongwae says the county government are in consultation with the Public Service Commission to rationalize county workers with the national government workers.
In one of the meetings that we held in Public Service Commission, which I attended, which was chaired by the chairperson of the Public Service Commission of Kenya, one of the major requests I made was that we must ensure that we declare work in county government as public service.
CPF Chief Financial Officer Joseph Rono says the fund has grown to 23 billion shillings from 21 billion shillings 2 years ago.
We have undertaken what we call prudent portfolio management. We've appointed 3 fund managers. These are basically the think tanks who keep coming to give report to our board members every 3 months. We keep challenging them in terms of some of the decisions they are making.
The fund managers plan to invest in the real estate sector to grow high returns. Jeremiah Ogola reporting for News Our Business.
Lack of organized farm agreements is a major impediment in agricultural funds uptake. This is according to Samuel Donga, the head of agribusiness division at Chase Bank, who says out of the 500 million shillings loaned to farmers under the company's warehouse receipt system, less than 15% of the funds go to small-scale farmers, despite the fact that they fall lack of.
Agriculture is the backbone of the Kenyan economy. It accounts for nearly 30% of GDP and employs close to 75% of the population, either directly or indirectly. Nonetheless, while agriculture remains a key economic sector, access to finance is a big challenge. Smallholder farmers are often unattractive credit candidates for financial institutions. Banks are, however, been devising other options for farmers to access credit, like the warehouse receipt system. Warehouse receipt system reduces the pressure on the farmer to sell immediately after harvest when prices are normally low. However, Samuel Doga, the head of agribusiness division at Chase Bank, discloses that out of the 500 million shillings loaned to farmers under the warehouse receipt system, only less 15% of the funds go to smallholder farmers. The funds are usually directed to businessmen who buy grains from small-scale farmers soon after harvest, who resell them at higher prices but do not channel the benefits to the farmers.
The biggest beneficiaries have largely been traders, rather than the supposed to be really enjoying the benefit of this solution. And this is because traders, of course, are entrepreneurs, and so they see an opportunity very quickly and will go for it, and they can actually be able to see that through the warehouse receipt financing solution, they'll be able to do much more trading in the market.
He urged farmers to join registered farmers groups so as to benefit from access to quality markets and easy financial services.
Farmers need to get organized. They need to work in groups. They need to register their groups either as cooperatives or limited liability companies, to give them the legal basis even to borrow. And through this organization, then farmers will be able to actually aggregate their grains, store the grains in warehouses, and access funds against that, even as they wait out for a good price in the market and avoids selling their grains at the farm gate and getting lower prices.
Chase Bank plans to lend 1 billion shillings to players in the agribusiness sector, millers, warehouse operators and traders.
That's business for now. John Jacob Curia, you on standby with the business with sports news, eh?
Yeah, you told us about sports.